Does Martingale system really work? Yes, and I have some proof. I have recorded a video about Martingale and its theory, and I have got lots of comments such as, "It will blow your account, it's great, it will work but one day will ruin your capital," and this kind of comments. But is Martingale useless? Watch this video for the answer. Before I start, I want to give you a good news about channel. I realized that most of my subscribers are interested in learning strategy, some simple ones to make profit with it, and I decided to add a new part called strategies in channel and share tested, solid and simple rule strategies there. So subscribe and hit the notification bell today and enjoy these videos when they are ready. Here are some facts. I do not recommend anyone to use Martingale-based strategies. This video is for educational purposes, and if you design or follow any Martingale-based signals, you are the one who is responsible for the capital. I do not use Martingale-based strategies for my own capital. I have talked about defects and risks of this kind of system in my previous video. If you don't know what's Martingale and why it's dangerous, I strongly suggest you to watch my previous video about Martingale before watching this. Now, after knowing all the risks and dangers about Martingale, it's time to see how it gives some traders great amount of money that covers its defects. I have chosen 4 signals from MQL5 which are based on Martingale or other type of dangerous signals to give us an open mind about dangerous strategies. For detecting strategy logic, we can check trading history of the signal as one of the ways. For example, in the signal, in these 2 days, you can see how many trades are executed. All of them are sell on GBP USD. Look, volume of trades. They are increasing in one direction as every trade is executed. And all of these trades together make a great amount for an account with $2,000 in it. This is how Martingale logic works, as I mentioned in my previous video. Some of these positions weren't closed until 4 days later, if you look at close time. Well, as you see, this account is using somehow dangerous process. Its drawdown is up to 33% of the account, which is not absolutely an acceptable number for most conservative investors. Now let's put all of this information aside and see this. This account has been started with $115 deposit, but it has more than $1,100 withdrawal. This number is almost 10 times bigger than the money this guy invested at the beginning. This shows that this guy was successful in his investment in this account at least. Let's see another account. This account with this large and dangerous drawdown, 55%, is using dangerous money management system and some negative factors that you have warned about in trading and your investment. Now look at success. First deposit $1,000. Next deposits $700. Withdrawal more than these two. And they still have this account active. The provider is still making money. Next account. Very soft graph. Maximum drawdown of nearly 40%. Look at this drawdown chart. You see how dangerous this signal can be. Now let's see deposit and withdrawal. $2,100 deposit, $2,400 withdrawal. Withdrawal is more than deposit. The personal capital is out of risk with some profit in provider's pocket, and the account is still on its way. Next account, 62% maximum drawdown, but it has $97,000 back out of $31,000, and the account is still on its way with more than $50,000. We are all chasing money in Forex, and these guys are making it. They may use dangerous strategies. They have large drawdowns. But we can't blame everyone who talks about Martingale or other dangerous money management systems. I mean, if something doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean that it won't work for other people. Another thing about these providers is their income from their subscribers. For example, the Signal has 22 subscribers, which give the provider $100 per month. $2,200 income just from subscription. The previous one has 27 subs, and the fee is $33 a month, which gives him about $900 a month. Isn't that great? You see some of the successful traders in this video. It's always interesting at the beginning. The pains come when you lose money in an account. I have to say again, be careful when you're designing a system. You are the only one who is responsible for your decisions. Most of permanent market activists still use conservative ways of trading, and everyone recommends it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments on the description. Visit our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye.